Hi friends, I Krishna Nagwani from class 12th Commerce from Swami Vivekananda Senior Secondary School, Raipur, Chhattisgarh is here for introducing my economics project on the topic organic farming back to the nature. So this is front page of the project. This is acknowledgement. This is certificate, index page, pictures of organic farming, introduction of organic farming principles, principle of fairness, principle of care, principle of health, principle of ecology, evolution of organic farming in India, advantages of organic farming, disadvantages of organic farming, role of farmers in organic farming, role of government in organic farming, role of organic companies in organic farming, short term implication of organic farming, long term implication of organic farming, organic farm production, graphical presentation, organic crop production, the project is of economics, so data graph it should be proper. Next, challenges related to growth of organic business in India, consumer level challenges, processor level challenges, producer level challenges. Sikkim organic farming, 100% organic farming state in India map, Sikkim. Organic farming in Sikkim. Case study. Conclusion. Bibliography. Organic farming questionnaire. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and comment.